Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete files on Zotero. So what you want to do, guys, you want to sign into your Zotero account, so head over to zotero.org, and if you haven't got any account, click create an account, and once you have an account you can sign in, and then at the top just simply choose your web library. And this is going to take you over to where you have those files that you've uploaded. If you don't know how to upload files, just simply look to the upper left hand side of this little middle section here, and you'll find a plus. You can go down to files, upload files, and you can choose whatever you want, right? So you can choose basically anything. I'm going to choose, for example, a picture as well. You can upload pictures, you can upload folders, you can upload whatever you want, right, to your library. Now, how do you permanently delete a file? I'm going to show you how I'm going to permanently delete this file that I just uploaded. So you want to go to the library, click on the file that you want to delete, and then simply click on the bin icon on the top there. You click on that and it's going to remove the file. Now, once you click on that, it just moved the file to the trash. So you can go to the left hand side and find trash, click on trash, and you'll find the file there as well. Now, to permanently delete this file, you want to click on that file again, or if you have multiple files, you press Ctrl A to select all of those files, and then you will find a bin icon that says permanently delete. You click on that, and guess what, guys? It permanently delete that file from your Zotero altogether. Keep in mind that deleting files from your library directly to trash does not mean that it deletes all the files. You will still have problem with storage, and so if you want to permanently free up space under your storage, you want to go ahead and permanently delete those files as I showed you before. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.